Today I am reviewing the Beelink SER5 MAX. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the standout features of the SER5 MAX is its memory. It comes equipped with 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is faster and more efficient than the older DDR4 generation. This means smoother multitasking, quicker load times, and an overall snappier experience when juggling multiple applications or heavy software. Alongside that, you get a 500GB PCIe 3.0 SSD for storage, which offers a good balance between speed and capacity. While 500GB might not seem huge for some, it's fast storage that can be expanded if needed, and more than enough for most users who want fast boot and application launch times. On the graphics front, the Beelink SER5 MAX uses the integrated AMD Radeon 12-core GPU clocked at 2200 MHz. This integrated GPU is quite capable for integrated graphics standards and can handle light to moderate gaming, 4K video playback, and even content creation tasks that don't require a dedicated graphics card. The ability to support triple 4K displays at 60Hz through DP and HDMI outputs is a game changer for productivity enthusiasts who want multiple screens without bulky hardware. Connectivity options are another highlight. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 on board, you're getting the latest in wireless technology. Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster, more reliable internet connections with less latency, great for streaming, video calls, or downloading large files quickly. Bluetooth 5.2 gives you improved range and connection stability for wireless peripherals like headphones, mice, and keyboards. The Beelink SER5 MAX compact size makes it an ideal choice for tight workspaces or for anyone who values a clean desk setup. Despite its small footprint, it doesn't compromise on ports. It offers USB Type-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and more. This means you can connect a wide variety of peripherals, from external drives to monitors and more. Cooling and noise levels are surprisingly good for such a small device. Thanks to efficient internal design, it runs quietly even under load, which is perfect for office environments or quiet home setups. To sum it up, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC is a powerful, versatile, and compact machine. It delivers exceptional performance for its size with a fast AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, plenty of RAM, speedy SSD storage, and the ability to connect multiple 4K monitors. Whether you're a professional needing a reliable workstation for editing and productivity, or just someone looking for a sleek and efficient PC for daily use, this mini PC covers all the bases. If you want a future-proof setup with the latest connectivity and a strong performance profile in a compact form, the Beelink SER5 MAX is a fantastic choice.